45, which means karamihan sa atin buhay pa tayo lahat. In a sense, we are survivors, which means we have conquered the first enemy of our life, which is the need to conquer our character traits, our weaknesses. So, congratulations for being alive and for being present in this reunion tonight. Pwede po ba pumalakpak tayo? Buhay na buhay. I was handed a short list of talking points by our president. But firstly, I feel itchy in your appointing me as the interim president. I know it would be for a sinister purpose. And it was revealed earlier. Beng was calling me ang middle name ko raw. Ang middle name ko si B, bring gas. To bring gas. Ngayon, ginawa niya middle name ko L. Norman D. Lechon Pizarro. So, you obliged me to foot the bill for the two lechons. I had an appeal, an MR. Sabi ko, maliliit lang para hindi mahala. Kasi si Floyd was tendering me a bill of so much. So, sabi ko, thank you Floyd for exceeding my budget by 600. Sabi ko, 10,000 lang eh. Yan ang greeting ng aking auntie. Meron akong auntie rito sa eskwela natin. Wala niyo may Christmas tree sa akin.
Bakit?
Kaya lang when I reveal her identity, I'm sure she will protest it. Hindi kita auntie, uncle kita, baka sabihin niya. So, palakpakan natin si Marian. Yan, Rosales Gargarito. Alam niyo, I just come, my roots are from the most peaceful province of the Philippines. Oh, guess what is that province?
Abra.
Abra, yan. Alam niyo, tagaroon sa Abra, very landed family also.
My dad.
Ayan, si Marian Rosales. 3 years older than most of you. Hindi na tumatawa. Ito lutog na. Okay, that old man was in the Hari. So the doctor asked, why are you in the Hari? I have to join my wife for breakfast. Where is she? She is confined in an institution. She has been there for 5 years and she needs company. She's sick of, sabi nung lalaki, nung matanda, Parkinson's. So sabi ng doktor, does she know you? His answer is, she does not know me, but I still know her. So, what's the moral of the story? Let's have Parkinson's. So, okay yun, Steve, sabihin is, Napita, you came to our house one time, taliro-taliro ako, hindi kita na masyadong nasigas. We have not recognized this name shape of mine. Bigyan ako ng identification na nalaglag. Pareho ko pong pangalan ito, palakpakan natin. He is now a Kojak of sorts. Tumayo ka nga, Mr. Norman Pandelion from abroad also. Kawapo pa rin. Kaya iba lang dating.
Yeah. No, it wasn't me. Si Nelson Waki yun.
He was here when we reunited months ago. The Art Barubia. Art. And I think she could still qualify for the heading of Balikbayan. One of the most active lady organizers lately. I'm glad you took on our shoes. Itong araw, lilipan na lang kami. So, si Ingrid Rose.
What? Ano yun? Bakit? What? Ano yun? O, tatayo ako.
Sabi ko, balikbayan pa rin ang dating mo dahil ang donation mo puro dolyar.
Jesus Maria, second.
Ayaw niyo makinig. It is stated here in the one-liners for your reference. But 65 has been organized in 1995. It was incorporated through the efforts of General Cate and Attorney Ray. It has become the nucleus of the alumni revolution of our Ramon Magsaysay Cubao High School. And actually this is in memory of our the most outstanding platoon leader of school year 65 nationwide. If there are some space in my deliveries, I used to say that we got only at the merit of 4, we defeated all the schools in the Philippines. And that is our batch 65 in the platoon competition. Ate was the mga ganun si Resty at si Nika Tisera. Nakailang pusap kayo ng araw. Okay, we had our fundraising golf tournament.
What is that?
1.5 billion sa golf fundraising, for which because of which we have survived as an organization. Okay, I think that should end my speech. Let's give a big hand to all of us. Lloyd? I think, Lloyd, you have the 30 question. No, we can all, this is our Christmas party, but we can always have a second one if you want.
So, no dissenting opinion, Judge.
Salamat po.